Lot number 141 is a 2013 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor. This one has a 3.5 liter V6 with 95,000 original miles. It's got damage to the front end. It was involved in an accident. This one also overheated. So I turned it off. It's been off for about 30 minutes now. It should have cooled down already. I'm gonna plug up my jump box. I'm gonna crank it up so you could hear it. The motor sounds good. It does have a steady misfire. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you could hear the motor. The motor sounds good. It revs up nice, but it does have a steady misfire. Check engine light is on. Now let's look at the hours here. Temperature has gone down already. Let's see here. Okay, so here are the hours. It has 11,442 engine hours. It's got 8,172 idle hours, and the miles are 95,021. Motor sounds good. It will overheat after running for a few minutes, and I'll give you a quick little walk around. It's got some damage to the front. It's missing the front bumper. It's missing the headlights. The hood is damaged, and the front end may be damaged. I don't know how bad that front, chassis is, but it may be bent. It looks like it took a good hit in the front. Go ahead and take off the jump box. Close the hood so you can see how everything lines up. That's as far as the hood closes. The hood has damage. This was a full police unit for the city of Miami Beach. Doors have been painted black with what appears to have been a roller and a thick coat of black paint. And they do this just to comply with the Florida no distinctive color scheme law. All emergency equipment has been removed. It had a light bar on the roof. It was removed. There's a hole for the wires, and there's a little spot of rust where the light bar would rest. Passenger side is straight. It will need to be repainted eventually. Whole front end has damage from the accident, and the driver's side looks straight. It's got minor dings and dents all around. 4 matching steel wheels. Tires look good. All the door panels are in place. The rear seat is plastic. All the door panels look good. Interior looks dirty. It will need a good cleaning. There's the driver's door panel. Looks good. Dashboard is not cracked. No airbags deployed in this accident, so all the airbags are intact. Passenger seat looks good. Metal center console is included, and the headliner appears to be in good shape. The spotlight was also removed, and now you have a hole here on the pillar. All right, there you have it. This is a Bodyman Special. It runs and drives, but it does overheat, so it should definitely be picked up on a tow truck. This is lot number 141. It's a 2013 Police Interceptor, 3.5 liter V6, 11,000 hours, 95,000 miles. It's lot 141. Good luck.